you know what's more annoying than my girlfriend? Shouldn't have said that. This trade here, you know when you take a trade, right, and nothing happens, it goes sideways, and then you get out the trade, and then it suddenly drops like it has done here, right? So that, I'll just show you the trade. So that's that trade there, right? There's my profit, but you see Euro USD, right? That's that trade right there. How frustrating. Anyway, right, so it's that time of the month again where I go over my results for November. I haven't done this in a while, so we've got a lot to catch up on. First one is I have brought out some new services or new training, we'll call it services, right? New webinars and support training. I'll show you in a minute. Now, you're probably thinking, why do you teach people to trade? Why are you doing all this, Jamie, if you make lots of money? You know what? Good question. I ask myself this very question every single day, and my answer always changes. But the one that I've come up with today is you've got to do something, right? I mean, if I didn't have the binary destroyer, I'd have nobody to trade with. Nobody, right? As you know, trading's very lonely. It's very frustrating. A lot of time on your own, looking at the charts. None of my friends even understands trading at all. None of my dad doesn't understand trading at all. He thinks it's just a scam. Well, he thinks Bitcoin is a scam. But then he thinks Forex trading is Bitcoin. He don't understand it, right? So I like trading with people. Believe it or not, life isn't all about materialistic items. I've got all of that. You know, I've got money in the bank. I've got supercars. I travel the world. And I still wake up every single day. Not every single day, but I still wake up some days thinking, I'm bored. What am I going to do? And you think, how can you be bored? How can you be bored? You can do whatever you want, Jamie. Yeah, I agree. But I live in the real world. My girlfriend still has a career, doesn't want to quit, and my friends work. So what am I going to do? Go on my own or sit in this room and trade on my own? So that's why I like teaching people. I spent the entire yesterday actually teaching people to trade on one-on-one webinars, which is good. But yeah, let me show you my new services quickly, right? Before not that I'm plugging, sounds like I'm plugging, right? So I've just basically started doing one-on-one webinars, but I'm doing like a weekly one-on-one mentorship school. So at the minute, right, and this is kind of shows you why I like trading with people and shows you why I like teaching people, because the best way to teach people to trade is to actually spend time with them going over their weaknesses. Because if you came to me and said, Jamie, help me, I'm struggling, the first thing I would say is, okay, let me see you trade. Let me see the trades you're taking, your thought process, what's going through your head, your stop loss, your take profit, what you do when you're in a trade, how do you manage it, how do you emotionally handle it as well, you know, when you start going in drawdown and you start to panic. I need to see all of that first so then I can see where you're going wrong, right? And this is individual, right? Because everyone is going to be different in trading. Everybody's got different strengths and weaknesses and everybody's unique. Okay, and everyone needs to understand that. So I've started doing this like one-on-one mentorship school where basically every single week I will teach you to trade, right? I'll go over all of your trades every single week and just say, hey, some good trades this week. Because the good thing about this, right, if you're trading the Mogwai reversal strategy, you'll be getting the same trades as me. So when I take my trades and then at the end of the week, I see your trades, I can say, okay, why did you take that trade and not that one? That's the one I took. Do you know what I mean? And then I can understand why you didn't take that one, your thought process. And I can say, okay, well, next week, you're going to do this. So that's the plan, right? Obviously, it's already started, but I'm going to be doing it probably January time because it's Christmas and I'm going away for Christmas with the family, right? So that's that one, okay? My results. Let's start off with my main account. I say my main account, okay? This is that one here. So as you can see, the account balance is now 331,000. Let me just show you my results for the week. So today's Wednesday, so this is going to be just from Monday. Well, let's do it from the 1st of December. So from the 1st of December to the 4th of December. So 4 days, I made 27 grand, right? As you can see, just there, right? All of my trades, right? And I'll be totally honest with you, December is an absolute terrible month to trade. everything just goes sideways. As you can see here, pretty much every trade that I've took so far this month has just gone sideways. So that's that small £400 account to 331,000. It's not technically my account. Half of it's my account, which is actually in a different country. See, this is my dilemma going into next year, right? Because I've had a very good year trading, very good year, right? But I've hit that point in my trading career where I need to move to a different country. Because let me explain to you, right? This money here is in a different name, in a different account, in a different country, right? I'm not going to tell you what broker it is, but the broker's not in the UK. So I'm looking at this now, and I'm going to Dubai in January, right? And I'm sitting there going, why would I want to bring that money in from a different country into the UK, pay tax on it, and then go to Dubai to spend the money? It doesn't make sense. I might as well just take the money to Dubai or move to Dubai and not pay the tax. Do you know what I mean, right? Because you've got to think about these things when you start making large amounts of money in trading. You know, because with trading, you've got the opportunity to go wherever you like in this world and make money. And when you start making large amounts of money, it's very sensible to put those brokers or the trading accounts or prop firm accounts in company names. And then you sit there and think, well, why don't I just set a different company up in a different country where there's less tax, like Dubai? And then that Dubai company would own that trading account, which then I would trade, and then I'd have to pay zero tax. Do you know what I'm saying? Right, so very good year, but I'm in a dilemma on what I want to do with my trading. But that is it, right? So that's my personal trading. Next one is my EAs, okay? So if you go to www.forexyields.com, I run a number of EAs which I built from the Binary Destroyer. You will see all of their MyFX books here. I run gold, well, I run both of these one, Phoenix and gold, okay? They are all here. You know, the live gold. I've actually, by the way, I've stopped this live gold account mainly because after Donald Trump became, you know, president, everything went crazy. Bitcoin went flying, gold moved, and I thought maybe it's not best to, I'm going to wait until the new year before running my EA again on gold. But those, in fact, I'll actually show you because I have them logged into my account here. So this is the one of them running on currency, but no, this is gold. Okay, so this is gold here. So far it's made 23 quid. Okay, but by the way, this is a new gold account, okay? Because the live one, which you see on my charts there, this one just here, which is stopped in November, I've turned that off, and I thought during that 1 month break, I would run some different settings, right? So that's gold. If you look at this one here, demo on currency pairs, I'm actually going to move this one over to a live account in January. I like to have at least 6 months of demo results first before running live accounts. Hold on here. Let me just show you that account there. I actually like the currency pair one. So there you go there. That's the open trades, right? That's the open trade. And if I show you, in fact, let me show you the month. The week is 222 quid, right? As you see there, all of the trades, okay? So that there is Phoenix currency pairs, right? I also run this on a larger account. I actually also run this on a 100 grand live account, which is essentially a fund. So there's a few other traders. We all put 30 grand. Well, some put 20 in, some put 30 in. And what we do is we just split the profits every single month. That's running on Phoenix as well. I'm also running CBOT as well on DAX, gold, etc., which I actually have on this screen over here. I haven't set that up on my FX book, but if we just go to the expert advisors, where's my expert advisors group? Here we go here. These are some of the results on DAX. This is all CBOT. Okay, that's CBOT there running on gold. These are kind of like here. There you go there. Hold on, where's it? What's that one? Okay, that's currency pairs, right? So you get the idea, right? Gold. In fact, I actually Actually, I don't think I've actually got this set up on my phone. Anyway, right? But anyway, see bottom gold, right? And that is essentially it. What I will be doing for the new year, okay, is I want to show you something, right? So this is, if I bring it up here, this is the binary destroyer on ctrader with Renko. And what I basically going to be doing in the new year is this. I swear to God, right? And I'm saying this, right? I'm going to show you the proof of this now. The binary destroyer on ctrader with Renko. So as you can see here, you've got candlesticks. Okay, so if I go to candlestick patterns, you've got it there. Okay, if I go to Renko blocks, you got here, right? Now, you can actually get this very mechanical, as in simple rules, right? So what I've been doing, and I think I'm going to do this on a prop firm, right, is I don't know if you can see, there's little arrows just here, right? If the arrows are below the TCA line, you can take this down. So that would be a winner. That one would be a loss. I wouldn't count that one as a winner because the actual all body, so the whole, see there, the whole, let me get rid of that there, the whole arrow and block has to be above and below the TCA line. So that'd be a winner, that'd be a loss, that would be a winner, that one would be a winner, that one would be a winner because you're targeting 10 pips, that one would be a winner, and that one there would be a winner, that one there would be a winner, that one's not a trade because that candlestick, the arrow is right on that TCA line, so that's invalid. This is what we're looking for. Arrow and candlestick, arrow and block below the TCA line, that one would win. There's no setup there. Okay, that one I would probably take. Well, yeah, that's okay. Again, another one there and another one there, right? So you can see it's very mechanical, and a lot of people don't. ctrader is probably our least most popular platform, mainly because people in America can't use this platform. But I tell you right now, it's really good. I'll show you something as well with this, right? And it is an absolute hidden gem. So if I was to add, if I just watch this, right? If I change this to a 200 EMA, watch this one, right? You ready? You ready? And I'm going to turn off. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the arrows, right? Hold on here. I'm going to turn off the arrows. How do I do that one? Okay, there we go. There, done, right? Watch this one, right? So what we have now is, hold on. Let me just change this to maybe 10 blit Renko blocks. Yeah, so watch this, right? So this is basically like similar to Mogwai reversal, right? Mogwai reversal. So basically, you see these little arrows now, they're MACD arrows. But look how powerful they are on Renko. That one's a winner. That one's a winner because it's with the trend. If I go backwards, that one would be a winner. Okay, that one would be a winner. That one probably a loss. That one's a winner. You get the idea, right? That one's a loss. Hold on. Winner, winner, and yeah, winner, right? You get the idea. So what I'm going to do, probably over Christmas, because nobody really trades at Christmas time, everyone gets drunk, is I'm going to work on something here. And I've just bought a prop firm challenge. I bought a £5,000 prop firm challenge. And I'm going to essentially see if I can basically try and pass a prop firm challenge by just taking arrows. So obviously we do this already with London Open and obviously Mogwai reversal. But Mogwai reversal is more kind of structure, trade with the trend. But what I could do with this one, right? And this is my idea. This is my idea, right? It's just an idea now. Don't shoot me. It's just an idea. So let me just go back to here, what I was doing this morning, and I'm going to change that back to a 10. And watch this, right? So this is my plan, right? Start to finish, okay? So you see this arrow here, because it's below the TCA line and the block is below the TCA line, right? We go for, I don't know, 30 pips or 20 pips or 10 pips. I haven't worked that out. But that one would be a winner. So that one's a winner, right? That one is a loss. But then this one is a winner. See that? Right? And then you get the idea, right? Probably better on 5 pip blocks because it'd be faster to trade, right? Because obviously you want to be getting in and out of trades, right? This is what I was doing this morning, right? So I took that one there because we're below the TCA line. That one I wouldn't count. That one is a winner, okay? That one's a loss. I wouldn't count none of these ones because the arrow. That one's a winner. That one's a winner. That one's a winner. That one's a winner. That one's a loss. That one's a winner. That one is a winner. You get the idea, right? Because each block represents 5 pips. If I went for 5 pips take profit or 10 pip take profit, that one's a winner, right? That one I wouldn't count because that arrow's touched the TCA line, so that's invalid. This one's a winner, right? And I reckon you could, with a bit of like, you know, compounding sort of method, I reckon you could easily pass a prop firm with this one. Because let's say, right, you risk 1%. Let's do it backwards, right? You ready? That one would be a winner. That one would be, you wouldn't take that one. That one would be a winner. So you made like 2%, right, already. The next valid trade would be this one just there. So that would be a valid trade. That's 3%. That's 4%, right? That's 5%. That one, there's no valid setup because it's touched the TCA line. That one's a loss. So you would lose that one, but then you would win on that one. You double up on that one. So then you'd win it back. And because this is 5 pips, you would like, you're going to get back-to-back setups, right? That one would be a winner. Okay. There's no setup there. There's a winner there. So you're doubling up on that one. That's no setup. That's no setup. This is a setup there because you got the arrow, which is below the TCA line. That one's a winner. That one's a loss. Okay. That one is probably, I haven't worked out stop loss on this one. My idea was a 10 pip stop loss. So that would be a loss, right? That would be a loss. So you'd have 2 losses there. But then this one would win, right? You see that one? So that would win. Okay. This one would win. That one would win. So you can see here, that one's a winner. So you get the idea, right? Let me do you one more. That one's a winner. This one here is a winner. So you can see where you're going to get back-to-back setups. And I think, and I say think, like I said, right? Don't hold me to this because I'm just showing you transparency, right? This is what I think I can get over Christmas, like a pattern or structure in place to say, January, let's try and do a prop firm challenge together on a live stream, right? So a YouTube live stream doing this. Now, obviously, we do London Open and we do Mogwai reversal, but I think ctrader, I genuinely think ctrader on Renko is a very hidden, but it's a very not appreciated platform. I think a lot of people don't actually fully appreciate just how good this is. But most people don't give it the time of the day because they're too busy on TradingView, trading Mogwai reversal, right? Or Mogwai strategy. But actually, if you take the binary destroyer, put it on ctrader, go to Renko, right? Because if you were to change this, I mean, I can't do it here right now, right? But if you were to change this to DAX, you get the exact same effect, right? So same again, there's a winner there, right? There's a winner there, okay? There's a winner there, there's a winner there. Do you know what I'm saying, right? There's a win, I wouldn't count that one. There's a winner there, there's a winner there. Do you know what I'm saying? This one here is a loss, that's a loss, that's a loss. So look, you got 3 losses back to back there. But again, 3 losses ain't a problem because then you've got a winner there, right? You've got a winner there. You've got a loss there, winner there. You get the idea, right? You get the idea. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's my update for November. Still smashing it. Still making lots of money. Have a fantastic December. Have a good Christmas. Have a good Christmas. I'll see you in another video anyway. Take care and love you all.